Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia. So I have on this little gray and white dress that I got from Boohoo like a long time ago, But I'm going to I want to do like a pink eyeshadow look to go with it. Since the colors that I have on go with any color, I decided to do a pink. So what I'm gonna do now is apply this Stay Matte, what is this called? Makeup primer. And sometimes I put on a lot of primer and it'll turn white on my face, but that's okay. Y'all, I hate doing my eyebrows. I just hate doing my eyebrows. Out of all the makeup stuff, the eyebrows is just, I don't know. They're easy to do, but I don't want to do them. Like, I want to just wake up and my eyebrows be done. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do my eyebrows here soon. Whenever I go to the beauty supply store to get the little razor that I need, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. I haven't did them in like a long time because I don't do my eyebrows often at all. Like, it's probably been a year since I done them. I just let them be, just let them do what they gonna do. So as you can see, I put some concealer down on my eyelid, and I'm just gonna pat that in with my finger. For some reason, I just like patting it in with my finger better than patting it in with my what is it called? With my brush. I will go back over it with the brush, but for now, I just want to pat it on like this. Alright, so now I'm going to tap into my Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Saharian palette. And as you can see, I just got the new color, same color as my eyeshadow. I'm just going to place that on top just so it'll be like powdery, and it will help with my application. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my 23 Perfect Matte palette from Nika K. And what I'm going to do is, it's a white color in here. I'm going to get some of that white and place it on my lid. And I'm going to tell you guys why. So I'm going to get the white, and I'm going to only place it on my lid because I want that pink to be very pigmented. And I want you to be able to see that white. I mean, that pink. And these are the colors that I'm using. Well, these are the colors that I'm using. I always like to do like a little swatch. I always do a swatch on my hand first so I can see how the color's gonna turn out. Alright, so from the same palette, I'm going to get this color. Alright, so I'm going to start and just apply it in circular motion over my lid. And I'm just gonna build that color. I don't want it too dark. It's like a hot pink, so I'm gonna use that hot pink on my lid. And now this is where I'm gonna use a lot of eyeshadow because I want it really pink. Really, really pink. And as you can see, it's already showing up pretty good. Right up in there. Just so that that'll be a little lighter for me. Alright, so this white just isn't working for me. So I'm going to take this light pink and put that in the inner corner. So hopefully. So if you use like a bright eyeshadow or basically any eyeshadow that's not the color of your lashes, you want to go ahead and put some mascara over the lashes just so they won't be pink as well. Alright, so foundation, I'm using Juvia's Place. My shade is somewhere between Kenya and Canu. um, so what I do is I put the dark one on the outside, the light one on the inside, on my face. So while my lashes is getting ready, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Laura Mercier powder under my eye. Got this. And I literally don't want to add much. I learned that when I add a lot, it gives me like a ghosty kind of effect, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna put it on my eye and right up in there. Alright, so I always use the Juvia's Place eyeliner because it works so well. And it comes with this little brush, which I love, which makes it easier for you to apply your eyeliner. Now for the glow, I'm using this highlight palette that my friend, she got me for Christmas, and she knew exactly what a girl needed because this highlighter is bomb. Like, bomb.